What's up guys, welcome back to Money Academy. In this video, I'll show a new YouTube automation niche to make money online in 2025. What if I told you that in 2025, people are making thousands of dollars from AI-generated cat videos? Sounds insane, right? But it's happening. Right now, there's a whole niche blowing up on YouTube, and it's all about animated cats doing crazy, hilarious things like sipping cappuccinos, going on heists, and hanging out with Santa Claus. And the best part? It's completely faceless, fully automated, and powered by free AI tools. I know it sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing. But after 14 years on YouTube, I decided to challenge myself, start a brand new channel from scratch, and try to get as many views as possible in just 30 days. No old audience, no viral push, just me, a laptop, and an idea. On day 1, I made $1. By day 30, I was pulling in $200 every single day from ad revenue. And a month later, that jumped to nearly $10,000 a month from a faceless AI-powered channel with no voiceovers and no filming. This isn't some gimmicky, get-rich-quick thing. It's real, and it's working. Today, I'm going to show you the exact niche that made this possible. AI animated cat videos. It sounds absurd, but once you understand why it works and how simple it is to get started, you'll see why this might be the easiest way to start earning online in 2025. So if you're sitting there wondering how you can start something profitable without showing your face, recording your voice, or spending thousands on gear, stick with me. I'm going to walk you through how I did it step by step and how you can too. First of all, attention spans in 2025, they're toast. People scroll faster, click quicker, and bounce faster than ever before. That's why short-form content, quick visuals, and eye-catching animations are winning. TikTok started the wave, but now YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels have turned it into a full-blown tidal wave. Now combine that with cats. Not just any cats, adorable, goofy, sometimes chaotic digital cats doing stuff like traveling the world or stealing snacks at 2 a.m. It's universal. People love cats. They're meme-friendly, family-friendly, and algorithm-friendly. But here's the real kicker. These videos don't need a voiceover. You don't have to record anything. No camera, no microphone, no editing booth. The content speaks for itself with visuals alone, and AI makes it ridiculously easy to produce those visuals at scale. There's an actual channel out there called Fluffy Animal AI. They have only 20-something videos, but some of those videos have millions of views. Titles like Cats Visiting San Francisco or Cats Doing Side Hustles are pulling huge numbers, and the content is 100% AI generated. This niche works in 2025 because it checks every box: entertaining, easy to produce, algorithm boosted, and scalable. You don't need a face. You don't need talent. You just need the right tools, and I'm going to show you what they are. The first thing I did was go to Grock AI. It's a free tool that helps you generate creative ideas instantly. I gave it a simple prompt. I want to start a YouTube channel where my 3 main characters are cats, 1 male and 2 female cats. Give me some cute and complimentary names. In seconds, it gave me names like Max, Luna, and Mochi. You can get as creative as you want here. The goal is to create a recurring cast of characters that people can recognize across episodes. Next, I used Grock to generate episode ideas. I typed, "Give me fun, animated story ideas for these 3 cats. Keep it short, funny, and visual." One of the ideas it gave me was the Midnight Snack Heist, where the cats team up to sneak into a locked fridge without waking up their owner. That's gold, short, hilarious, and perfect for animation. You can generate dozens of scenarios like this in a few minutes. Think cats at a yoga class, cats get lost in Tokyo, cats start a podcast. Literally anything works as long as it's visual and silly. Once you've picked a scenario from Grock, you just copy the output. It gives you a full summary of the story, scene by scene. This becomes your roadmap for creating the visuals. Keep in mind, these videos don't need detailed dialogue or narration. All you need is a sequence of actions and emotions that the AI cats will go through. The simpler, the better. It's all about what people see, not what they hear. Now it's time to bring your cat universe to life. Head over to Leonardo.ai, another free tool where you can generate images using prompts. I selected the Phoenix 1.1 model, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube, and started inputting prompts based on the scenario. For example, an orange cat in a kitchen at midnight tiptoeing across a tiled floor with wide eyes. Leonardo then spits out stunning artwork. It looks polished, detailed, and cartoonish, perfect for storytelling. You repeat this process for each scene in your story. Consistency matters here. Make sure your cats look the same in every shot by sticking with the same descriptions and style settings. I usually generate 8 to 10 images per video, depending on how long I want the final episode to be. So now you've got your images. But we don't want a slideshow, we want animation. That's where Hilu AI comes in. It's super simple. You drag and drop your Leonardo images into Hilu, and it literally animates them for you. The cat blinks, the background moves, the tail flicks. It's like magic. You can tweak the movement speed, make certain features more expressive, and even add light motion effects like wind or zoom ins to make it feel more dynamic. Once each scene is animated, you download them all and line them up for editing. This is how you go from zero to a fully functional video in just a few hours. No script writing, no voiceover, no camera, just story prompts and AI tools doing the heavy lifting. What you're building isn't just a video, it's a content asset, something that keeps getting views long after you've moved on to the next episode. And trust me, once you've done it once, it gets way easier the second time. Within a week, I was batching out 3 to 5 videos at a time using this exact process. And once I hired a freelance editor, I scaled even faster. Next up, I'll show you how to turn these scenes into full videos and get them published at scale without ever opening a video editor yourself. So you've got your fully AI-generated scenes animated and ready. Now comes the step that usually scares beginners the most. Editing. But here's the truth. You don't need to become a video editor to win in 2025. Seriously. If you're just starting out and want to DIY your way through, CapCut is one of the easiest free online video editors you can use. It's all drag and drop. You upload your Halo animated scenes, line them up in sequence, maybe add some chill music in the background, and export. Done. You don't even need to touch Adobe Premiere or Final Cut unless you want to. But I'll be honest, I don't like editing. It takes time, and time is money. So after my first couple of videos, I started outsourcing. I went straight to Upwork and Fiverr to hire a freelancer who could stitch together my clips and keep the style consistent across all episodes. Here's how I did it. I created a Google Doc with a sample script, the exact workflow, and links to similar videos for inspiration. Then I posted a job titled Long-Term YouTube Video Editor for AI Animation Channel, no voiceovers needed, and added examples like Fluffy Animal AI to help them visualize the format. I made sure to select Long-Term Project as the job type. That tends to attract more serious freelancers who care about quality and want repeat work. Once I found someone reliable, I was able to produce 3 to 4 videos per week without touching a timeline. That freed me up to focus on ideas, niches, marketing, and of course, more income streams. This is what real automation looks like. High output, low burnout. The goal here isn't to do everything yourself, it's to build a system that runs even when you're offline. When your workflow moves from me doing it to someone doing it with a system I built, that's when the game changes. And trust me, it feels so good uploading a video you didn't even edit and watching it rack up views while you're having coffee or taking a walk. Just because your AI cat video gets 1 million views doesn't mean you're making bank. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Views do not equal dollars, especially when your content is fun, short, and made for entertainment. These AI cat videos are great for virality, but ad revenue is not where the real money comes from. On average, you'll probably make $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So a viral video with 1 million views might earn you $1,000 or $2,000 from ads. Not bad, but not life-changing. Here's where things shift. What really matters in 2025 is something called RPV, revenue per view. Instead of just counting how many eyeballs land on your content, you look at how much money you earn per person who watches your video. And that's where faceless YouTube turns into a money-making machine. Now that I've tested the waters and seen what works, let me tell you what I'd do if I were starting over today. I'd combine the fun of AI cat videos with real monetizable content strategy. That's right. I wouldn't just make cats drinking lattes or going on heists. I'd make them educational, helpful, and just sneaky enough to guide viewers toward a product or a niche. Here are some examples. Picture this: three animated cats acting out what it's like to start a dropshipping business. It's funny and informative. Add an affiliate link to Shopify or a digital course in the description. Or each episode could spotlight a trending Amazon product. Cute animation plus affiliate product equals win-win. What's happening here is hybrid content, stuff that's engaging and shareable, but also strategically designed to generate income beyond ads. And here's another pro move: crossover content. Once you've created a 5-minute YouTube video, chop it down into bite-sized 15-second clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms love short, weird, funny stuff, especially if it features cats doing human things. You don't need new content. Just repurpose the existing stuff in vertical format and drop it everywhere. More platforms equals more reach, equals more clicks, equals more cash. Blend humor with utility, and suddenly you've got something no algorithm can resist. You're no longer just making random funny videos. You're building a brand, one that entertains, educates, and earns. And that's the real secret. This isn't just about cute cats or viral views. It's about taking a trend that works right now and turning it into a system that prints content and income on autopilot. Whether you're in it for fun, side hustle cash, or building a full-blown brand, this niche proves that you don't need a face, a voice, or even a studio to make real money online in 2025. All you need is creativity, consistency, and the right AI tools doing the heavy lifting. And if you're serious about getting started, don't miss my other video, How to Make $11,115.83 in 30 Days with Faceless Automation for Beginners, where I break down the entire process that took me from $1 to 5 figures in just 1 month. Go check it out now, and I'll see you there. If you found this helpful and want to see how far this strategy can go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, and it helps more than you know. Peace out.